What's going on YouTube? Today we're taking a look at a privacy screen protector from the guys over at Ringke. This is their dual easy wing screen protector. It's going to keep those prying eyes away from your phone as you're riding the bus, as you're walking through the street, or maybe even you're on your couch doing your thing. Let's go ahead, show you how to install it, and we're going to check out some case compatibility as well of the privacy dual easy wing screen protector from Ringke. Like about the dual easy wing, number one, this is a very easy installation. So let me just show you everything that you get inside of the box here. Here's your one pack of your privacy screen guard, and then you also get the necessary tools to wipe down your screen and the handy tool to align this properly. This installation should only take you a couple minutes. So the first thing that you want to do is wipe down your screen and make sure everything is clean. Once you've wiped down your screen, get your easy installation tool and insert it into your USB-C port. Ensure that the top flap is accessible to you guys, because that's where you're going to have to put this screen protector. The next step is to remove tab 1, which is this tab right on the bottom here. Next, open up your little port cover of your tray. Insert the screen protector into the little alignment trays just like so. Put the little cover back on. The next step is to get your squeegee and kind of place it on the middle, and then lift back the screen protector and just gently press the screen protector onto your screen, just with one fluid motion, just like so. If you need to place your finger to keep it in place, go ahead and do so, just like so. Once you've got the first part on, go ahead and remove this little jig. Just place your finger on the bottom here just to give yourself a little bit more support when removing this little adapter. And now you want to do the same thing for the bottom half of your device. Go ahead and lift back the screen protector, and with one solid fluid motion, go ahead and press the screen protector onto the screen of your S23. If you see any little air bubbles, now would be the time to kind of gently get rid of them. I like to give it a little press just like that. Now what you want to do is just kind of rub your finger on the side. Just give yourself a little bit of a rub. Next, go ahead and remove part 4. And once again, just rub the sides of your device just to ensure that this wing design actually holds onto your phone. And that's what makes the one-step ring just a little bit different than any other type of screen protector out there. It's actually holding onto your phone a little bit better. And let's see if we get any little bubbles. Just kind of wipe them away very gently, because you don't want to stretch the screen protector. So if you see any bubbles on the top, which is usually where they might be from that air, just go ahead and press them with the squeegee. Now any of these little bubbles should go away in the next day or so if you see one like in the middle. But this installation has been pretty clean. You can see I've done a pretty awesome job, and that's why it's called the easy press-on, I'm going to call it. Easy press-on type of screen protector. So let's just go ahead and do that. Now once again, what I like about this screen protector is you do have this wing design, and I'm going to see how this is going to play with some cases. I'm going to do a couple case swaps over the next couple days before I edit this video and post it, just to ensure that it is or it isn't case friendly. Ringke doesn't really mention anything on their website about case friendliness. The real deal about this screen protector is the fact that at about 35 degrees, you're going to get a completely dark screen. The number one thing that I like about this, I live in New York City, there's a lot of nosy people, there's a lot of people creepers around, and they always want to check out what you're doing, whether you're just sitting in the park, whether you're just on the train doing your thing. People are always nosy, and they want to read your text messages, they want to read your emails. So at 35 degrees, this is going to be very unreadable. It's going to be pretty much black to them. So there it is. You don't see anything on my screen, but if you're looking on it dead on, you are going to see the full greatness of whatever you're looking at. So there it is once again. Let's do a little scroll test. When it comes to these privacy screen protectors, your screen is going to be a little bit dimmer than if you didn't have it on, but this is doing a really nice job of not being super dim, but it's also doing a great job of keeping those prying eyes away from your device. Now with privacy screen guards, of course, landscape, people are still going to be able to see what you're watching. These are usually just intended to be used in portrait mode, so if you are playing a game or you prefer reading emails and whatnot in landscape, people are going to be able to see what you're doing. But once you flip that over to portrait mode, You can keep those people creepers away. Just look at that. Now let's check out the fingerprint scanner. 100% of the time it's going to work. No problems with the fingerprint scanner. If you're looking for an awesome privacy plastic screen guard, this is the way to go. I mean, it's all about keeping your business, and it's all about that easy installation. So let's just go ahead and show you that. Now, lastly, before we end out this video, let me just try on a case. Now, because of this wing design down here, I really would recommend that you insert your case from the side first and just be pretty gentle with it. So this seems to be playing really nicely with this case that I have. Let me get a case that hugs my device a little bit more than the one I just showed you. It's not working with this one. I can already see that winged side is coming up. So if you have a snug case, guys, there's no need for me to wait a couple days and test out some cases. As you can see, it's not really super case friendly. But if you have a more loose fitting, maybe a loose fitting TPU type of case, this is going to work pretty nicely for you guys. Or if you're not about that case life, this is going to work pretty nicely for you as well. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you in another video.